Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so you should follow this project. You should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so I've bought this car. Yeah, so as you can see, so we want to make this car, we want to make it back to life. So you should follow this project. I'll be posting videos. You'll be watching how we are moving. As you can see, yeah, so we are taking it to the garage. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we are taking it to the garage. We want to make this car back to life. As you can see, it's been stayed for a while. So we want to...
Okay, thank you, boss.
As you can see, yeah, so we are taking it to the garage. So it's going, we're taking it to the garage. We want to make it back to life. We're making this vehicle. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, as you can see, there it's going. So come back to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell button so that every time I upload the video you get notification. You should follow this project. We are pimping that car, we're making it back to life. As you can see, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.